High bay light fixtures. Bay lights is the term used for light fixtures which are used in places which require a large area to be illuminated. High bay lights are used in any large area with a ceiling height greater than 20 ft. The usual elevation range at which they can operate is 20 feet to 40 feet. They are effective at such height as they provide uniformly distributed bright light in open areas. Any high ceiling location such as warehouses, factories, hangars, community centers, gymnasiums, docks require such lighting fixtures. In order to choose the appropriate high bay fixture for your space, there are certain key factors you need to know about these fixtures. High bay lights need special reflectors for HPS or metal halide bulbs to ensure light reaches the floor evenly and reduce the amount of light wasted. The reflectors help them provide the kind of adequate lighting as per the space requirement. Different reflectors help accomplish different kinds of illumination tasks. The two kinds of reflectors used in high bay fixtures are aluminum reflectors. They make the light flow directly downwards to the floor, directly illuminating anything they are placed above. Prismatic reflectors. These reflectors cast a rather diffuse light which is helpful in illuminating surrounding things as well, e.g. shelves or objects placed on the shelves. High bay lights are available in wattage 150W or above with a beam angle of 90 degrees or narrower. Different locations use different wattage of these lights depending on the requirement. For environments like gymnasiums, community centers, conference halls, warehouses, production plants, we need ambience as well as bright lights. So in these places 150W high bay lights with 3000K color temperature are commonly used. In airport hangars or docks 200W high bay lights are commonly used as these places have even higher ceiling height. Numerous kind of lamps are used in high bay lighting. Induction lights, metal halide lights, LED lights, fluorescent lights. The most popularly used lamps are LED lamps. They have taken over every other lamp design for a number of reasons, such as they are efficient, provide diffused light without the use of reflectors, they are long-lasting with a longer standby time, they do not require maintenance or frequent replacement and rarely ever go faulty. High bay lighting comes with several kinds of fixtures which are either fixed in the ceiling directly or they can also be hung from pendants or suspended by hooks and chains. The different kinds of fixture are round, linear, architectural and grid mount. High bay lights, they have to cover a lot of space, both horizontal or vertical. Round lights are saucer shaped, they cast circular beams. Rectangular fixtures cast rectangular beams. They are the most commonly used fixtures in every place, including restaurants. Linear or rectangular fixtures are adequate for spaces which need illumination in a grid-like space, such as a production line. All these fixtures are able to cast light at certain angles. The common beam angles are 60, 90, and 120. Narrower the angle, narrower and more focused is the light casted. Whereas the wider beam angles are used in open spaces with lower ceiling height and are used to illuminate a larger portion of the area they are used in. Lastly, one more key factor in deciding the kind of lamp for your high bay fixture is to check the light output. With our traditional fluorescent and metal halide fixtures, there is no guarantee that the light output is 100%. As we know, most of the energy is lost in the heat generated during their operational life. Only 30% of the energy is used in generating light. This also heavily depends on the design of the fixture. This is a crucial factor to consider in commercial spaces, as such areas require lighting for longer durations. If the light output is less, it automatically